One last question for you, Zeeshan.
Sure.
I see a lot of energy,
Okay.
right?
Oh, I haven't had my lunch as well. So
Look at
I'm
that. So, which means this is an appropriate question. How do you sustain that energy, Zeeshan?
It's difficult, and I won't say that running a startup doesn't have a massive toll on your mental health. It
Mm,
does, right?
mm,
And it's everybody knows. If you're a founder, if you're an entrepreneur, the journey is lonely. No matter how many co-founders you might have, no matter how big a team you might have, because you are end responsible for your entire team, and
mm,
their priority comes first. Everything, they are the first priority. It definitely does become a lonely journey, and that is something that every entrepreneur is going to tell you. It's very difficult to manage work-life balance,
mm.
because there is no disassociation between your personal identity and your professional identity. You take entrepreneurship so personally that your company becomes you, right?
Mm,
And that creates a lot of, over time, will create a lot of issues in when it comes to work life balance, as well as your mental health, as well as your physical health, and so on and so forth. So it's fairly difficult, and it's something that I'm trying to work on myself. I'm trying to make sure that I am living a healthier life. I'm
mm,
sleeping early. I'm not working at home as soon as I come back from office. So these are things that you eventually develop. But in your earlier years, you might not even have the luxury to do these things. In your
mm,
earlier years, you will be hustling. You'll be doing whatever is possible to get your venture up and running. It's only after you have a good team that you will be able to focus on the other things. So it's difficult. Yeah, it's a very difficult journey. It's a very lonely journey. It has so many challenges, but at the end of the day, you're going on and on and on, because there is clear impact that you see of the work that you're
mm,
creating,
mm.
and that's what gets you through the day. That's what gets you through all the challenges, the ups and downs. And you know that you're the captain of the ship, so you need to
Mm.
keep sailing and driving things forward.
Yeah, the captain can't be weak, can he? Very
Uh,
nice.